What's up, YouTube? Did you guys miss me?
I do this for a living, you still getting used to it. It's all or nothing for my music, don't abuse it, lose it.
What's up, YouTube? We back. So today is a big day in my business, in my new business, my redesign business, which I will be putting up another video soon to update you guys on what's going on with me and my businesses. Businesses. But today we are at Carolina Bridal Fair in Concord, North Carolina. This is my very first wedding show. I am now venturing out on my own for my wedding films. Everything that you guys might have seen from me has been doing, I've basically been shooting for some friends of mine that own a photography company down in Belmont. And every time they book a film, they pretty much hire me to go shoot their films for them, but I don't edit them. So now I get a chance to film and edit in my own style, get everything done. And we're here, got the booth set up. Got Amanda with me. She's gonna help ease the pain of awkwardness for me, asking for money, because that's like the hardest thing for me to do. You know, creatives, right? But I'm gonna try to vlog the entire time I'm here. Set up some time lapses, things like that. Some cool footage, and see if I can't walk around before I get caught with a camera vlogging. Gotta risk it for the biscuit, right, Ike? Yeah, risk it for the biscuit, bro. Alright, guys, see you in a little bit. Guys, here's an update. So it is 4 o'clock now. We got 1 more hour left in the show. I have booked 2 weddings. So my goal this year is 10 on my own. 10 weddings, 5 elopements. 2 down. So I mean, like, legit, like, wanted to save their date, so booking tonight. And 1 possible. So it's pretty cool. Overall, if those 2 book, then I'm happy because the show is paid for, get the money back for that, and then some. So, very cool. Again, I'm going to try to walk around, but there's already been somebody that's been kicked out for walking around with a camera, and they've got people here that are actually filming. So. Alright guys, so I'm back here at home base. It's been about a week or so after the wedding show, and it was great, guys. So I had 2 brides want to book with me like that day, but I wasn't really prepared for that. Had a process that didn't include booking on that day. So what I had them do was go home and immediately go to my website, submit on my contact form. That puts them in my database, allows me to send them a contract, a questionnaire, an invoice, and allows them to pay all of that. So we did that. I booked 2 that next day, and then a couple days later I booked my 3rd one. So feeling good about that, guys. Feeling really good about that. I made the money back that I paid for the wedding show very quickly. And then some, and these were just deposits. So it was just enough for me to, you know, coax them into booking that day because there was a show special. You only needed a deposit to do it, and they loved my work and they loved talking to me. So that was amazing. I really connected with the brides that booked with me. So that's very good. That's extremely good for the film, is that we get along because we don't see each other again until their wedding day. So very cool. I've got a couple more inquiries that have come in. In another 2 weeks or so, I've got another wedding show that's local here in Concord. It's actually right up the street from my studio space, so that'll be pretty cool. And then I'm working on a third wedding show that's going to be in March. So I'm full speed ahead, guys. I'm really going for it this time. And I'm going to try to bring you guys along as much as I can. So that's the end of this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's my first wedding show. If you guys have any questions on anything that I did to prepare for it or how I set up my booth, you guys want more details on it, I was a very skimpy booth. So hopefully in the future, I will be able to improve the aesthetics of it. But for right now, I just got it done, showed my product, was able to talk about my product, and then I had information to hand out. That's pretty much it. But if you guys got any questions, hit the comments down below. You guys know that I'm always in my comments, replying, handing out thumbs up, handing out the love. And if you guys are haters and you want to come for me, come for me. I got you. I got you. Till the next time, guys. Know what you got to do for them $4. You got to holler. Peace, guys.